if you ever need a loan project, like a loaning website where your clients or your users can come and apply for loan, or you have a client who wants a loaning company, this is the perfect loaning system for you. This is an online loan system where users can come and apply for maybe business loan and everything. So now we have both the front end and the back end. The UI and the UX to this very script is awesome. So we are going to run a tutorial. If you stay with us to the end of this video, we are going to teach you how to install this very script. All right, so let's log into the admin dashboard so that we see how the admin dashboard looks like. Now this is the admin dashboard. From here you manage users. There you manage category, that is the loan plan. Now this is where people who apply for loan are. Now that's the payment gateway. That is deposit, withdrawal, and the rest. So if you want to get like a setting, if you want to check the settings or change so many things, the name of the site, the currency, so you click on general setting. So we are going to run a tutorial on how you can install this very script. So if you know you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So first of all, go to your cPanel, then click on file manager. We want to upload the script. Now click on public_html, then click on upload. Now click on, I'm just going to create a folder where I'll upload my file. Then after that, I'll click on my loan folder and I'll click on upload, and I'll get select my file and get it uploaded to the system. All right, so I'm done uploading. So the next thing is to extract the file. Now once we are done extracting, you delete the zip file. We don't need the zip file anymore. All right, so I'm going to delete the zip file. Then once I'm done, I'm going to reload this very page. Now this is the page. I'm going to click on the file, then I'm going to highlight and move all this file to my public_html/loan folder. That is representing my URL. Then I don't need the rest file. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete the rest file, like documentation and the rest updates. I don't really need them. So you can decide to keep them, but I don't really need them. So now the next thing after deleting, the next thing we are going to do is head over to a new tab and type the name of your URL/install. Type the name of your URL and /install. We are going to install this very script. Then as it is loading, we are going to go and create our database. We are going to create our database as it is loading. So you come to this place and type database. So you create your database username and you create your database name also. Now I'm going to type loan and I'll click on create database name. Then I'll go back. Then I'll scroll to user. Then I'll scroll to user and type the same thing there, and I want to generate a password, and I'll copy the password there and I'll click on generate. Then I'll create user. Then I'll go back. Now I'm going to assign the user to database. So I'll click on the user, select my user, and I'll click on my database name and I'll select my database and I'll click on add. Then you tick all this all privilege to add all privilege to the user. Now we can now go back there and we reload this very page. Now as you can see, we need to give permission to all this, like your storage, your cache, your app, and your log. So you go back to the previous tab, click on core folder. Now the first one is our bootstrap. Open it, then you say cache, then you turn it to permissions to 0775. Then you go back to storage, you give permission to storage also 0775. Now you open the storage folder, then you give permission to app 0775. Then you give permission to framework 0775. Then you give permission to logs 0775. Now once you are done, you can come here and recheck. Now everything done, but we need to activate BC Mat PHP extension. So go back to this place and type PHP, then select PHP version there. Now you allow it to load. So once it is open, we are going to make changes to the extension. Yeah, we are going to make changes to the extension. Click on extension and click on BC Mat and just activate it. So just click on extension, look at BC Mat there, and that is just it. Then you recheck it again, and that is it. So the next place, you click on next, and we are going to connect our database. That's our URL. So we copied our password, so let's paste the password. Let's go back and download, copy our database name. So just type database and just click on database there, and once it open, we are going to copy our database name. Remember, we use this as our database name and our username. So copy it on our database, you put it there. On our user, you put it there. Now our host is always localhost. Now then you're going to create a username for your admin. So let me just use admin. And the password, let me just use 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I'm going to use my info@automatic. Then I'll click on install. Now we are done installing. So the next thing is for you to go and delete the install folder. We don't need that install folder anymore. So the next thing, click on go to website and activate. Now we have successfully installed the script. So like I said, if you need this very script, just go to below this video. There is our WhatsApp number there. Just copy the WhatsApp number and message us on WhatsApp, and you will get this script sold for you. Yeah. So, and if you've not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. We have educative video like this. We post tutorials every day. So this is the front end. So now let's log into our back end. Let's log into the admin dashboard. Let's see. Let's log into the admin dashboard. Let's see how it looks like. We'll put admin and our password. This. Now, if you look at the captcha, the captcha is wrong. The captcha is wrong. So let's go and deactivate this captcha. Then once we log into the admin, you can enable it back. So to disable this captcha, we want to go to our database. We'll deactivate it from the database. Then once we log into the admin dashboard, we enable it from there. So now to do that, just head over to your database. Go to your database, click on your database file, and locate where you see extension. Locate where you see extension. Yeah. Then once you see extension, look at the feed 2 where you see Google Captcha. Now scroll to the right hand where you see status. On the status from 1 to 0, meaning it is inactive. Then you save it. Now come back to the login page and refresh this page. This captcha will disappear. Now let's log into our admin dashboard. So once we log into our admin dashboard, we can from there activate the recaptcha back. All right, we've logged into our admin dashboard. So let's go to where we have this recaptcha. You search for extension. Yeah, that's extension. So you click on extension, then you will see the Google Captcha. That's it. So all you need to do is just click on enable if you've gotten your key and everything. So this is the system. Yeah, that is the loan system. If you want to create the loan plan, yeah, if you want to create a plan for the loan, you fix the name of the loan, everything, the installment delay payment and everything. So that's how you set it. So you can set as many as you like. That's a payment gateway. You can either use automatic or you can either use manual. So you can create it from there. That's the withdrawal page. That's the deposit side. And this place is where you create your cron job. So you can either add another cron job if you don't like this very one. So that's the cron job name. You can add another one. So if you want to customize maybe the name of the site or the setting of the site. Now this is a KYC. If you want to enable KYC, just click on add new and create your KYC. Yeah, so I hope you found value in this video. If you need this very script, just go below this video. You will see our WhatsApp number there. Just copy our WhatsApp number and send us a message. Copy our WhatsApp number and send us a message, and we are going to sell this script for you at a discounted rate. If you know you are new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so that whenever we release videos like this, you'll be the first person to see those videos.